Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to see template on Squarespace. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Squarespace, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. To view and explore templates on Squarespace, you need to follow these simple steps. Now, if you already have a Squarespace site, log into your account, and once you've done that, I need you to hover to the upper right corner and click on the account dashboard. Now from here, all you have to do is click the website that you are working with. All right. Now you would be forwarded to the website builder. You see, there are two options where you can access the templates or to see the templates. Number one option is going to the option here, and under pages, there's gonna be styles. If you click that, what will happen is you would be forwarded here in this section wherein the themes inside the website acts like a template. All right. When you click on it, you can have like the professional, the button. You see that it's changing, right? Playful, sophisticated, so friendly, and there's a lot that you can work with. Bold, quirky, innovative, and a lot more. Of course, you can from here when you're seeing your template, you can also have the access for the fonts, colors, buttons, and forms. I'm going to exit this one, all right, because I'm heading back to the edit button. So this is going to be the second way for you to access or see the template. I want you to hover to the upper right corner where you can see the desktop, mobile view, and the site styles, wherein it would lead you again to the themes section that acts as your template. Now again, I'm going to exit this one, click on close, exit. Now I'm switching back again to my homepage by clicking on my account dashboard. And in the left side, if you are starting a new site, you might want to click on the create website option. All right. What will happen is you'll be taken directly to the template section page or click templates from the navigation bar. Now you can choose the popular topics, for example, photography, art, weddings, design, music, real estate, and property. So depending on your, of course, goals and needs. You can skip that, but I'm going to choose the music for now. I'm going to click on next. All right. So for example, you might want to choose some of the elements that you wanted here. For example, I'm going to publish a blog or other media. I'm going to click on next. Now these are gonna be the where you can see the templates. Actually, you can build a custom website guided by Squarespace Blueprint AI, but we're not gonna do that because we're going to see the designer templates. Now let me tell you that there's kind of like two kinds of templates here. There's like I'm gonna remove the entertainment and blog so you can see that. You would notice that there should be an option for the free and the paid kind of templates here in Squarespace. For example, you can choose any of it. If you click on online store, click on portfolio. So these are gonna be the options, blog, scheduling, one page. All right, courses and services. For example, we're going to use this one page called from Orancy. Now, what happens is you would be forwarded with the two kind of view, the desktop view and the mobile view for quick access on the template. If you wanted this, if this fits your brand and identity. Now, To continue to customize styles, you can add features and more when you start a trial, all right? So you can start with the design. They have also a sample color preset. So you have like 12 options. And again, you can get full access to more color presets and custom colors in your free trial. If you wanted, you also have the option to view the demo site, wherein you have the power to view the site if you feel like this represents the brand and identity that you're working with. All right, because some templates may offer built-in features like galleries, forms, or specific e-commerce or functionalities that are tailored to your niche or market or to certain industries, making customization smoother. If you're happy with this, you have the option that says create a site like this. If you do that, what will happen is you would be forwarded to the same option earlier. Now let's start with the design. As you can see, it is responsive. I believe that this template adapts to different screen sizes, and previewing a template ensures you are satisfied with how it looks on mobile, tablet, and desktop before committing to it. Now, you might want to put in the title for this. Okay, for example, I'm going to name it as this. And if you want to add and remove text or images, you can customize that as well. All right. I'm just going to click on the defaults. Now, you see, if you are creating a website for a particular niche, for example, you are into restaurant, photography, e-commerce, or sports, Squarespace templates can provide specific features for these, such as booking systems, galleries, or product pages. Once you're happy with that, again, remember the site that we have accessed earlier. Click that because you see the template can be again tweaked or edit. You can use their themes, and you can have all these professional looking templates that you can choose: playful, sophisticated, friendly. Instead of, building from scratch, templates give you a head start with structured layouts and designs, reducing the time and theme to take your site to go live. There are so many templates here, really. It's up to you, depending on your preferences and goals. Because some templates are optimized for blogging, showcasing artwork, or running an online store. So you need to explore some templates that helps you determine. And they have also built-in integrations or features that could match your goals. All right. Now, seeing templates here before deciding helps ensure that your website is aesthetically appealing, functional, and easy to manage. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.